Well, we're back with another Argo episode. And what are we doing today? Well, we're going to disappear off to an undisclosed location on some private property and find a cave that I've been looking for about 10 years. Or it's more of a mine shaft. I'm not entirely sure, but it's mostly rumours. But somebody has recently contacted me and told me they finally found it. So I'm going to base on some historical directions along with the hints they've given me. Let's see if we can find it.
Well, we're nearing our location, but it's slow going with this trailer on. And trailer's not really what you call an off-road trailer, but that pintle hitch is definitely doing its job. All right, well, we're here. I can stop my tracking, and yeah, we're going to move on from here. We'll get our camp set up now. Alright, so we're some of the way there, but scheduled maintenance come up, so we're going to put some grease in the hubs. A little bit of water coming out of them too, so I think in the bearings. So I think that's from when we were out in the water. But anyway, good thing is the grease is pushing it back out, and this is good marine grade grease. So
3 hours later.
Alright, so it's now night time. I've had to stopping for the night. It's a bit of a long trip. And tomorrow I think we're going to do the next leg in the Argo. It's going to be about 10 kilometres. So I'm currently copying some files across from my backup. And I've got all my gear hung up on the sides in the back of the Rover. But yeah, we'll get there.
The next morning.
Alright, well, I think it's about time we put breakfast on, and once we've done that, we'll get suited up, we'll jump in the Argo, and we'll go and find this cave.
Got one of these in the Argo?
Not yet.
I think we should be bringing that.
Alright, it's time to fire everything up and head off. If I can do this one-handed, I probably can. Alright, here we go. Such big trees over it. Yeah, I think that's why there's a detour. Tree over the track. Alright, so the track we were trying to follow
has got a log that's probably a bit big for the Argo. So we took the prescribed detour, and we had to probably move a tree that was about ready to fall over anyway to get through the gap. But now we've got to get up here, through all of this, and then up all of that. But I think we'll do it. The gap's sort of wide enough for it now. It's just how we skid around the corner. It takes a bit of skill that I haven't quite learnt yet. But I'm pretty sure we'll get there. Alright, given our last little close to getting bogged event, we decided we're going to walk down this little steep bit, and we're pretty sure we're not far away from it, so we're going to go and have a look. Alright, so we found the riverbed, and there's a nice steep face like this, but that's the sort of thing we'd expect to see a cave in. Now I'm not sure if we're down through that way or if we're up the other way. The instructions I've got were pretty unclear on that, so we'll see what we can do. Alright, so no luck yet, but we'll keep looking. And we've got a bit of a steep walk to get back to the Argo.
Well, where's the nearest 7-Eleven?
Alright, well we're back at the Argo, and I think I'm going to double back and have a look around the other side and sort of retrace steps. Otherwise there might be another expedition out here one day to come back and have another look.
2 hours later.
Alright, well we're back at camp. We didn't find it, but it's time for a bit of a meal. And then we'll go into a bit of a conflab about why we didn't find it. Alright, well we didn't manage to find our cave today, but we have narrowed down quite a few possibilities, and it's basically we'll be able to come back a second time well prepared. I'm also exceptionally tired right now, so we've got a few things to do to pack up before we can leave anyway. Namely, I have my rover here, my trailer here, and we need to go back out that track. Now, rover here hasn't got a great turning circle. There's not really room to turn this trailer around, so I'm going to hitch this to the Argo and drag it around. And we'll see how we go.